In a world full of flashy features and overhyped ads, one thing still matters most: reliability. Because when your SUV breaks down in the middle of nowhere, touchscreen size doesn't matter. What matters is whether your vehicle was built to last. Today, we're counting down the top 11 SUVs that almost never break down based on real data from Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, and verified owner reviews. These aren't just popular models. They're the ones mechanics rarely see and owners swear by even after 100,000 miles. From rugged off-roaders to quiet luxury cruisers, each SUV on this list has earned its reputation the hard way, by showing up year after year without drama. So if you're tired of unreliable rides and want an SUV that's built for the long haul, stick around, because number 1 might just surprise you. Number 11. Infiniti QX80. The 2025 Infiniti QX80 is a full-size luxury SUV that doesn't hold back. With a bold new design, a twin-turbo V6 engine pushing 450 horsepower, and seating for up to 8, it's built for families who want space and style. But what about reliability? According to Consumer Reports, the QX80's predicted reliability is below average, based on Infiniti's brand history and past model issues. It's had 2 recalls in 2025, including a rear-view camera glitch. However, J.D. Power gives it a solid owner satisfaction score, especially for comfort and dealership experience. So while it's luxurious, it's not perfect. Inside, the cabin is plush, think quilted leather, open-pore wood, and triple-zone climate control. You also get Infiniti's Pro Pilot Assist, a premium sound system, and up to 101 cubic feet of cargo space with the seats folded. If you want a luxury SUV that makes a statement and you're okay with a few quirks, the QX80 delivers size, power, and presence. Number 10. Chevrolet Trailblazer. The 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer is proof that you don't need a massive SUV to get serious reliability. It's smart, stylish, and surprisingly tough for its size. Whether you're a city driver or weekend explorer, this little SUV is ready to roll. According to Consumer Reports, the Trailblazer offers solid predicted reliability, especially in engine and safety tech. And J.D. Power highlights its strong owner satisfaction, while Kelley Blue Book reports that 79% of owners give it a perfect score for reliability. You get a choice of 2 turbocharged engines, both fuel-efficient and responsive. It's not built for racing, but it handles daily driving with ease. Plus, standard safety features like lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and automatic emergency braking give it a confident edge. Inside, it's roomy for a subcompact. Fold the seats down, and you've got over 54 cubic feet of cargo space, perfect for gear, groceries, or weekend trips. If you want a small SUV that's big on trust, the Trailblazer won't let you down. Number 9. Acura RDX. The 2025 Acura RDX is for drivers who want luxury, performance, and long-term peace of mind. It's sporty, refined, and surprisingly dependable. According to Consumer Reports, the 2025 RDX is expected to be more reliable than the average new SUV, based on strong performance from the 2022 to 2024 models. And J.D. Power highlights Acura's high scores in owner satisfaction and long-term dependability. This year's RDX comes with a turbocharged 2-liter engine that delivers 272 horsepower. It's quick off the line, smooth on the highway, and handles corners with confidence. But what really makes it shine? It rarely breaks down. Owners report few issues with the engine, transmission, or electronics even after years of use. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that blends tech with comfort. A 10.2-inch display, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Acura's true touchpad interface give it a modern feel. Plus, advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control come standard. If you want a luxury SUV that drives like a dream and lasts like a legend, the RDX delivers. Number 8. Kia Sportage. The 2025 Kia Sportage is like that reliable friend who's always on time, always prepared, and somehow still looks sharp. It's built for families, commuters, and anyone who wants peace of mind without paying luxury prices. According to Consumer Reports, the 2025 Sportage is expected to be more reliable than the average new SUV, based on strong performance from the 2023 and 2024 models. And J.D. Power highlights its high owner satisfaction, especially in design and comfort. You get a 2.5-liter engine with 187 horsepower and available all-wheel drive. It's not a race car, but it's smooth, efficient, and handles everyday driving with ease. Plus, hybrid and plug-in hybrid options offer even better fuel economy. Inside, the cabin is spacious and tech-forward. Dual 12.3-inch screens, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Kia's full safety suite come standard even on lower trims. If you want an SUV that's smart, safe, and built to last, the Sportage is quietly winning the game. Number 7. Hyundai Santa Fe. The 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe feels like that quiet student who suddenly shows up with straight A's and a new haircut. It's bold, confident, and finally getting the respect it deserves. Hyundai gave it a complete redesign, boxier, more rugged, and surprisingly upscale. And it's not just looks. J.D. Power ranks Hyundai among the top 10 brands for dependability, and the Santa Fe's predicted reliability is solid according to Consumer Reports, thanks to consistent performance in past models. This year's lineup includes a turbocharged 2.5-liter engine, plus hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. The ride is smooth, and fuel economy is competitive. Drivers say it feels more refined than ever. Quiet cabin, responsive steering, and no drama under pressure. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that punches above its price. Dual 12.3-inch screens, wireless tech, and premium materials make it feel like a luxury SUV without the luxury price tag. If you want an SUV that's grown up, glowed up, and still reliable, the Santa Fe is ready to surprise you. Number 6. Toyota 4Runner. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner isn't trying to be sleek or futuristic. It's old school, tough, and proud of it. For drivers who want an SUV that can take a beating and still keep going, the 4Runner is a legend. According to Consumer Reports, the 2025 4Runner has a predicted above-average reliability rating, based on Toyota's long-standing reputation and the proven durability of past 4Runner models. Owners regularly report hitting 200,000-plus miles with minimal issues. It's one of the few SUVs still built on a body-on-frame platform, which means it's ready for serious off-road punishment. Under the hood, you'll find Toyota's new turbocharged engine shared with the Tacoma. While some early reviews raise questions about long-term reliability, Toyota's track record gives buyers confidence. Inside, it's basic but functional. Big knobs, durable materials, and enough space for gear, dogs, or muddy boots. It's not about luxury, it's about lasting through anything. If your adventures don't stop at the pavement, the 4Runner is your ride or die. Number 5. Mazda CX-5. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 is the kind of SUV that turns heads but wins hearts with how well it holds up. It's sleek, sporty, and surprisingly reliable. According to Consumer Reports, the CX-5 earns one of the highest predicted reliability scores in its class for 2025. That means fewer breakdowns, fewer repairs, and more peace of mind. Under the hood, you get a 2.5-liter engine, available in both standard and turbo versions. It's smooth, responsive, and doesn't ask for much in return. Owners love how it handles curves, but what they really love, it just doesn't quit. No transmission drama, no electrical gremlins, just solid performance, year after year. Inside, the CX-5 punches above its weight. Soft-touch materials, a clean layout, and a premium feel make it feel more expensive than it is. Plus, Mazda's iActiveSense safety tech comes standard, so it's smart and safe too. If you want an SUV that's fun to drive, easy to own, and built to last, the CX-5 is your quiet hero. Number 4. Subaru Forester. You know that one friend who's always ready, rain or shine, road trip or grocery run? That's the 2025 Subaru Forester. It's not trying to be flashy or luxurious. Instead, it's built to be there for you, day in and day out. Under the hood, you get a 2.5-liter engine paired with Subaru's famous all-wheel drive. It's not the fastest SUV out there, but it's tough. Whether you're driving through snow, dirt roads, or city traffic, the Forester just keeps going. And the best part? It rarely breaks down. Owners say it runs strong even after 150,000 miles, with barely a hiccup. According to Consumer Reports, the 2025 Forester earns a perfect 5 out of 5 score in predicted reliability, making it one of the most dependable compact SUVs this year. Inside, it's simple and practical. Big windows give you great visibility, and the seats are comfy enough for long drives. Subaru's EyeSight safety tech comes standard, so you get features like lane assist and adaptive cruise control without paying extra. If you want an SUV that feels like a loyal friend, always ready, never dramatic, the Forester is it. Number 3. Lexus RX. The 2025 Lexus RX continues to be one of America's best-selling luxury SUVs, and for good reason. It's quiet, comfortable, and built with the kind of precision that makes breakdowns rare. Whether you choose the RX 350 with its turbocharged engine or the RX 500h hybrid, you're getting a vehicle designed to go the distance. Under the hood, the RX 350 delivers 275 horsepower with smooth acceleration and solid fuel economy, up to 29 miles per gallon on the highway. The hybrid trims offer even better mileage and a quieter ride. Lexus also added a plug-in hybrid option that gives you up to 37 miles of all-electric driving. J.D. Power highlights Lexus as one of the top-rated luxury brands for long-term dependability and owner satisfaction. Inside, the cabin feels upscale and modern. You get a large 14-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and premium materials throughout. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking come standard. Owners love the RX for its low maintenance costs and long-term reliability. It's not the flashiest SUV, but it's one of the smartest choices if you want luxury without the headaches. Drive it for years, and it'll still feel brand new. Number 2. Honda CR-V. The 2025 Honda CR-V continues its legacy as one of America's most trusted compact SUVs. Known for its reliability, comfort, and smart engineering, the CR-V is built for drivers who want peace of mind without sacrificing performance. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine producing 190 horsepower, paired with a smooth CVT transmission. It's efficient too, delivering up to 34 miles per gallon on the highway. And if you want even better fuel economy, the hybrid trims like Sport L and Touring offer impressive mileage with extra power. But what really makes the CR-V stand out is its dependability. According to J.D. Power and Consumer Reports, it ranks above average in long-term reliability. Owners report very few mechanical issues, even after years of use. No major engine problems, no electrical surprises, just consistent worry-free driving. Inside, the cabin is spacious, quiet, and thoughtfully designed. You get standard safety features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and hill descent control even on base trims. If you want an SUV that feels solid, drives smooth, and rarely lets you down, the CR-V is a no-brainer. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. If you're looking for an SUV that's reliable, fuel-efficient, and built to last, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 is still one of the best choices on the market. It's not flashy, but it's the kind of vehicle that quietly delivers year after year. According to Consumer Reports and J.D. Power, the RAV4 continues to rank among the top for long-term dependability. Under the hood, you get a proven 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, or a hybrid option that offers excellent fuel economy up to 41 miles per gallon in the city. But what really sets the RAV4 apart is how rarely it breaks down. Owners report driving well past 100,000 miles with minimal issues, no major engine failures, no electrical headaches, just consistent, worry-free performance. Inside, the cabin is simple but functional. You get Toyota's latest infotainment system, standard safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, and enough cargo space for everyday life. Whether you're commuting, traveling with family, or just want peace of mind, the RAV4 is the kind of SUV that won't let you down. It's not just reliable, it's built for the long haul. Thanks for watching. These SUVs are built to last, but which one's your favorite? Comment below and tell us which SUV you trust the most.